on this day in Tudor history, the 14th of July 1551, 15-year-old Henry Brandon, 2nd Duke of Suffolk, and his 14-year-old brother Charles, 3rd Duke of Suffolk, died of sweating sickness. They were the sons of the late Charles Brandon, 1st Duke of Suffolk, and his 4th wife, Catherine Willoughby, Baroness Willoughby de Eresby. And now, sweating sickness was a horrible illness which decimated towns and took thousands of lives in its 5 main epidemics in England in 1485, 1508, 1517, 1528 and 1551. It killed quickly. Chronicler Edward Hall wrote of how it could kill within 2 to 3 hours.